Factsverse presents 22 Amazing Transparent Animals. Number 1. Ghost Shrimp. The ghost shrimp, also known as glass shrimp, are typically freshwater aquarium shrimp. When in the tank, the ghost shrimp looks like murky water surrounded by bubbles. Most people who buy this type of shrimp do so to use them as feeders for larger, more aggressive fish. Because this shrimp is transparent, it's very difficult to see them in the tank unless there is a black gravel on the floor of the tank or if there's a black background in the tank. Number 2. Barrel eye fish. The barrel eye fish is also known as the spook fish. It's found in warmer and tropical waters, typically in the Atlantic, Pacific, and Indian Oceans. What makes this fish so unique and amazing is that its head is transparent. The eyes are encased in its head, and it's able to see due to the fact that it is transparent. There are 2 spots in the fish's translucent head that resemble eyes, but they're actually organs that are similar to human nostrils. Number 3. The glass frog. This is an amazing amphibian. Its belly is transparent, which makes it possible for you to see the organs encased in its belly. This frog is nocturnal. It's found in the rainforests of South America and Central America. It can be very difficult to find this frog because not only are they transparent, they're also very small. They usually grow to be a little over 3 inches. If the transparent frog is not moving, it can be very difficult to spot. Number 4. The glass-winged butterfly. This is a very unique butterfly. It's found in Peru, Ecuador, Bolivia, and Colombia. What makes this butterfly so unique is that it has transparent wing panels. The outline of wings are colored, but you can see right through the middle of the wings. In order to mate, these butterflies migrate great distances. If you're lucky enough to see this butterfly, hopefully you have a camera. Number 5. Crocodile icefish. This fish, which is native to Antarctica, is one of the most unique creatures in existence. Not only does its transparent body make it look incredible, it's also the only known vertebrate with colorless blood. This fish does not have any red blood cells, which typically makes our blood red. It also doesn't have any hemoglobin, the protein that is rich in iron and is responsible for transporting the oxygen through the circulatory system. Number 6. Tortoise shell beetle. This is a colorful beetle slightly resembling the ladybug. The only difference is that the tortoiseshell beetle is encased in a transparency. During the winter, this beetle protects itself under bark or in leaf litter. They seek out any warm, dry place that they can find. During the spring, the beetle comes out and it often feeds on sweet potato plants. The tortoiseshell beetle is often found in the southern states. Number 7. The sea scalp. This is a tiny organism shaped like a barrel. Unlike most sea creatures, this fish does not use its fins to swim through the water. It actually pumps water through its body to propel itself. This transparent fish grows up to 4 inches long. When a group of sea scalp get together, they will link up to make a chain that can be up to 15 feet long. Seeing this chain can be a very amazing thing. However, these fish live deep under the sea, so chances are you'll never see it. Number 8. Transparent sea cucumber. This amazing creature lives on the ocean floor, and it's likely you will never see this one either. This is because it lives over 9,000 feet below sea level. This creature's body is completely transparent, and you can see its winding digestive tract right through its body. It's often found in the Gulf of Mexico, and it creeps on the ocean floor with its tiny tentacles. Number 9. Glass squid. The glass squid is part of the Crankodiia family. There are about 60 different species of glass squid. Most of the species are transparent and biotranslucent. On the underside of their eyes, there are light organs which are similar to a flashlight. These organs make it possible for the glass squid to find its way around the ocean floor. Because their digestive glands can be seen through their transparent skin and they make the glass squid more visible, they move vertically to reduce their visibility. This helps to protect them from predators. Number 10. The jellyfish. It's believed that the jellyfish has been around for over 500 million years, and they're found in every ocean in the world. There are many different types of jellyfish, and most of them are transparent. It is their transparent body that helps protect them from their predators. It's also the reason that so many people get stung by jellyfish. When you're swimming, their transparent bodies make it almost impossible to see them. The sting of a jellyfish is extremely painful. The best way to stop the stinging is to pour ammonia on the sting. Since most people don't carry ammonia with them when they go swimming, urine will work as it contains ammonia. It's pretty gross, but it does the trick. Number 11. Raja binoculata. The Raja binoculata is also known as the big skate. It's found in the waters off North America and generally lives in shallow waters along the coast. This is a truly amazing fish for two reasons. First, it has a face that very closely resembles a human face. Second, its body is transparent. This makes it possible to see all of its internal organs. Because of its remarkable appearance, it's found in many aquariums. Number 12. Phronema. This is a tiny, deep sea shrimp that's only an inch in length. What it lacks in size, though, it makes up for in its ferocity. They are one of the cruelest creatures in the sea. The females attack salps, and they eat them from the inside out. After the salp is dead and has been mostly eaten, the female Phronema will lay its eggs in the dead bodies. Clearly, this creature has no respect for the living or the dead. Number 13. Cyanogaster. This amazing fish was only discovered a few years ago. It is completely transparent, which makes it possible to see its bones and colorful organs. It's found in the Rio Negro, which is the largest area of the Amazon River. The reason that this fish has never been found until recently could be the fact that it's transparent. It could also be because they only come out and swim around at night. There are not too many people out swimming in the Amazon River in the middle of the night. Number 14. Sea angels. This beautiful and transparent creature actually resembles an angel in heaven. When they're swimming, they have a heavenly glow to them due to their translucent bodies. It's obvious that they are not real angels, they are actually sea slugs. They're found in the icy waters of the Arctic Ocean, and they grow to be just a few inches in size. If these fish look familiar to you, it could be from Pokémon. The sea angels are what inspired the characters Manaphy and Phione. Number 15. Barton Springs salamander. The Barton Springs salamander is found in Barton Springs, which is a natural spring located in Austin, Texas. These translucent salamanders are actually endangered. Underneath its transparent skin, the Barton Springs salamander's coloring can vary from dark purple to light yellow. An average-sized adult Barton Springs salamander can grow to 2.5 inches in length. Number 16. Costa Rican tadpoles. There are many different species of tadpoles, however, this one is the most interesting looking. You can actually see through the tadpole's skin right into its head. It's obvious that these tadpoles are found in Costa Rica based on their name. After the tadpole matures, it becomes a Costa Rican glass frog. These tadpoles use their transparency as a way to hide from predators. They're also really cool to look at. Number 17. Glass catfish. The glass catfish is one of the most transparent vertebrates in the world. This fish is often found in slow-moving streams all over Indonesia, Malaysia, and Thailand. Most of the glass catfish's organs are located near their head. If you look at this fish with a magnifying glass, you'd actually be able to see its heart beating. If the light shines on the glass catfish just the right way, it can create a rainbow of colors. This is one of the most fascinating fish in existence. Unfortunately, they can be very difficult to find due to the fact that they are mostly transparent. When the glass catfish dies, it loses its transparency and turns a milky white color. Number 18. Clear slug. The technical name for a clear slug is Gaotis flavolianata, and it is a gastropod. It's somewhere between a slug and a land snail. This creature's body is completely transparent, except for the green sac in the middle of its body which contains its organs. It's a very slimy creature, and when the light shines on its green organ sac, it can appear as if it's glowing. Number 19. The transparent jumping spider. There are over 5,000 species in the jumping spider family, and the transparent jumping spider is the most fascinating. They are seen in several areas of the world, but mostly in Ecuador. Its head is completely transparent, as are its eyes and most of its body. There are areas of the spider's body that are colored but are still relatively transparent. Unless you're searching the right areas, you likely won't notice the transparent jumping spider if you passed it by. Number 20. Warty comb jelly. The warty comb jelly, also known as the sea walnut, is an underwater creature with a lobed body. This is an organism that is only 1 or 2 cells thick. It is an oval-shaped creature and it is completely transparent. This creature produces jelly, which, when distributed, gives the warty comb jelly a beautiful rainbow glow. Number 21. Glass octopus. The glass octopus is one of the most amazing transparent animals in the world, and it lives deep in the subtropical and tropical waters. Because this creature keeps itself hidden deep in the sea, it has not been photographed often or physically examined. There's not much known about it. One thing that is known is that the eyes of a glass octopus are always pointing upward, which helps it see the dim light from above. This is necessary because it lives so deep in the sea. Number 22. The Indian glassfish. Because of its amazing transparent appearance, the Indian glassfish is very popular in home aquariums. Many pet stores take advantage of their translucent appearance and they inject dye into the fish. This allows them to customize the fish, giving them a vivid and unique appearance. Subscribe for more.